how to see someone's like videos on TikTok. So if you want to see someone's like videos on TikTok, then this video might be helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the homepage of TikTok, from where you'll be able to explore the various TikTok videos. So it's a further process. You need to open up to a profile of the person whom you want to see the like videos of. Here I'm opening the profile of this person. You can see over here. You can also open up the profile of the person, and after doing that, you can see at the middle section there are the videos, reposted, and like videos. So the third option of this row is for like videos. So here you'll be able to see all of the videos that this person has liked, but sometimes some of the person may manage their privacy settings and won't allow you to see their like videos. At this time you won't be able to see their like videos, otherwise you'll be easily able to see the like videos over here. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.